Hi, my name is Trevor with Denver's Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. We're showing you Bromic's outdoor electric patio heaters. What's kind of cool about them is the way that they look visually, but you may be confused of what to order when you're looking on at home. Different colors, different sizing, things like that, different accessories that you may need for it. So we're here to kind of help you and walk through some of the add-ons, some of the things like that, some of the things you may need, so to make it easy for you to kind of know exactly what you want. So we'll start with sizing here. So you can see here we have the smaller model, which comes in a 2,000 and a 4,000 element, and we have the larger one, which comes in a 3,000 and a 6,000 element. So there's a total of 4 sizes, but really they're 2 footprints. Basically, if you order the small one, you can get it with basically a single element or a single burner, or a double burner, which gives you double the output. Same on the larger one. You can order it with a single element for the 3,000 or double element for the 6,000. So this is going to be the largest, most powerful electric unit that Bromic offers. Now this is definitely a good one to go with, especially if you're in an uncovered area where you have no rooftop above you, where some of that heat's going to be escaping up out the top. We always recommend going with the larger one because that's obviously going to help with heat output. What's nice too is the bracket length, is the distance they are off the wall. That gives you the appropriate clearance to combustible. So if you're putting it on a wood pergola or something like that, it can basically screw right into that wood pergola from the ceiling or from a wall. You don't really have to monkey with any accessories or anything, so that's kind of a nice feature as well. The larger units are available in a white color. If you weren't crazy about the black finish, you can get those in a white as well. Now how about controls and functionality? Well, when you buy just the basic units, you're going to get you can wire it to just a basic junction box with an on-off switch, and it's going to simply turn the units on and off. But when you upgrade to the 4,000 or the 6,000 with the double elements, there's 2 different kind of switch options that you can do. Now this is especially handy in commercial settings, restaurant settings, especially with the larger unit, because the larger unit does get so hot. It's very hot over in this area here. You can control that and kind of dim it. So we have some switches on the wall here. There's 2 different options. The most basic dimming switch that you can get for that is going to be an on-off per element. So that gives you a 50% turn down. So what you can do is kill one of the elements, and it's going to reduce your heat output in half. So basically it turns the 4,000 into a 2,000, but then you have the flexibility to turn it back up if you want to. Now the more upgraded option is going to give you off, 25%, 50%, 75%, and then obviously 100% full blast. So that's going to give you the most flexibility to really modulate that heat output, which is really important and nice, especially on the larger unit in a commercial setting, because if you have particular guests that they're a little chilly, but they don't necessarily want a ton of heat blasting them, this is a really nice dimming option for you. There are on 220 volt, so you are going to need an electrician to obviously wire something like this. But if you have any questions on any of these other products, or if you want to know what model you should go with, feel free to call or text our staff at 805-952-5440. You can check out these products on our website at www.blazingembers.com. Thanks for checking out this video.